In this video, I'll show you how to increase your FPS in Roblox. First, open Roblox and join any game. Now press ESC on your keyboard to open the in-game menu. Go to Settings, find Graphics Mode, and change it to Manual. After that, lower the graphics quality slider all the way down. This will reduce the visual load and improve your FPS instantly. Next, make sure you are playing in full screen mode. You can press Alt-Enter on your keyboard to switch to full screen. Full screen helps your PC focus more power on the game. Now, some games also have their own settings. If available, go into the game's internal settings and turn off things like shadows, reflections, and anti-aliasing. These effects look good, but they reduce performance. Lower graphics, full screen mode, and disabling effects can significantly increase your FPS. And that's it. That's the easiest way to boost FPS in Roblox.